Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be an absolute blast as we dive headfirst into an eclectic and extreme living room makeover. We will be transforming this space from chaos to charm, mixing various styles, colors, and textures to create a unique and vibrant living room that reflects our personality. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step number one in this procedure is assessing the current chaos. As you can see, our living room is a bit of wild combination of mismatched furniture, outdated decor, and a lack of cohesion. But that's all about to change. Then we will set a vision. Before we jump into the makeover project, it's crucial to set a vision for the space. We have selected an eclectic theme with a mix of bohemian, industrial, and modern elements. The color palette will be bold and vibrant with plenty of textures to add depth and interest. Now we will do the decluttering and clearing of the canvas, out with the old and in with the new. We'll be decluttering this space and making room for fresh ideas and exciting decor pieces. Now we will go to the painting the canvas. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. We have opted for a deep teal shade to create a dramatic backdrop of our eclectic design. Now mixing and matching the furniture. Now comes the fun part. We have found some fantastic furniture pieces that perfectly embody our eclectic theme. Mixing and matching different styles will add character and charm to the living room. Then we will embrace the textures and patterns. Textures and patterns are the heart of an eclectic design. We are layering different fabrics and prints and materials to create a cozy and visually stimulating environment. A splash of art and decor can truly elevate the entire room. We have found some incredible statement pieces that are going to be the showstopper for the living room makeover. Plants and greenery. Bringing nature indoor is a fantastic way to enhance the eclectic vibe. We have carefully chosen the selection of indoor plants to add a touch of freshness and life to the living room. And the most important is ambient lighting. Lighting can make or break rooms atmosphere. We will be incorporating different types of lighting such as pendant lights, floor lamps, and fairy lights to set the right mood. DIY projects to personalize the space. Now that we have completed the major makeover, let's dive into the some DIY projects to add personal touches to our living room. We believe DIY projects are a fantastic way to infuse your personality into your space. Custom gallery wall is a wonderful way to display memories and favorite artwork. We have selected a mix of family photographs, travel souvenirs, and quirky art prints to make this wall truly unique. Hand painted accent furniture. Upcycling furniture is not environmentally friendly but also adds a one of a kind charm to your space. We are giving this accent table a bohemian makeover with some creative hand painting. Now, furniture rearrangement and space utilization tips. Sometimes all you need is to refresh the living room is a clever furniture is by clever furniture rearrangement and optimizing the use of space. Let's see how we can do that. Number one, functional zones. By diving the space into functional zones, we can maximize the use of every corner and ensure room serves multiple purposes. The furniture grouping furniture together encourages conversation and creates a more intimate atmosphere. We are going to arrange our couches and chairs to encourage the interaction and make the room feel more welcoming. Now that our living room makeover is complete, we can't wait to show it off to our friends and family. Let's plan a housewarming party to celebrate this transformation. And here it is, our eclectic and extreme living room makeover is complete. And for chaos to charm, we have created a space that feels like a true reflection of our personalities. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you all for joining us on this exciting journey. Remember, don't be afraid to mix styles and colors and textures when designing your own spaces. Embrace your creativity and make it uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Until the next time, happy decorating. Follow us for the more exciting content. Thank you.